My name is Johnny Huff, executive chef of Everybody Eats PDX. I'm from Portland, Oregon, born and raised. The type of food I create, I would say, is like Northwest soul food. The reason why I say Northwest soul is because we live in the Pacific Northwest, but it's also soul food. I just put a Northwest twist on it. So we do, like things that you wouldn't traditionally see, like in the South. However it is, like derived from the South, things like that. The dishes I would say I'm most known for is the ultimate seafood mac, the ultimate pasta, and probably like the glazed lamb chops. I do a lot with seafood, so most of my popular dishes are around seafood. My inspiration would largely be probably my grandpa. He was a chef in the Navy. I grew up, like cooking or, learning how to cook, things of that nature. I just never really took it serious until I realized, it was something that I was actually, like really good at beyond, just family and friends thinking that I'm good at it. So I decided to pursue it. And my motivation would be just doing something of my own, just pretty much, not having to pretty much, work for anyone, but, just always depending on myself. I haven't put my faith in my own hands, having it in my own hands, pretty much. I'm hoping to share love and passion. More than anything, love. I feel like food brings people together from all walks of life, hence the name Everybody Eats. We all eat, but we don't eat the same thing. Just so happens most of us, happen to come together over Everybody Eats, like Northwest Southern food. But yeah, pretty much just love. We need more of that in the world. I face most with being a BIPOC business owner, I would say, is discrimination to a certain extent. Just not having the same opportunities as people, like that don't have my skin color. Inclusiveness, just treating us like we are business owners, like not just, like people that, got a business. Treating us like one of them pretty much, giving us the same privileges, same perks, everything like that. Just making us, level the playing field. They can support us is by spending their dollars through BIPOC businesses, keep the dollar circulating, through BIPOC businesses. We understand, we might not service every need that people might have. However, if we could spend our dollars as much as we can with BIPOC businesses, then it'll help more. Just more money flowing through our community, give us more opportunities to do things. They can find me on Instagram at Everybody Eats 503, Facebook Everybody Eats PDX. They can come down to the restaurant 138 Northwest 10th Avenue. They can check out our website www.everybodyeats503.com. I believe we're on TikTok, Everybody Eats PDX. Pretty much any social media, you can come down and see us. Yeah, everything.